All right, 8:17. Good morning, everybody. Most of us waking up to warm, muggy conditions, even some patchy fog in spots, but a few areas have seen some tiny showers. And I say few because the majority of the area has been dry all morning and dry overnight, but you have to look very closely and I have to zoom in for you to even be able to see it. These have shrunk and they're starting to fade. Little shower left very close to Salt Lick. That's it. It's right there on the Bath and Rowan County line, kind of right along Cave Run Lake there. Otherwise, the rest of the area is dry this morning. Now into the afternoon, we'll see some more storms begin to flare back up in the heating of the day. Speaking of some of the fog, though, we've seen it most of the morning down here on our home view camera in Somerset. Pretty dense there right in front of Lake Cumberland Regional Hospital. But elsewhere, all three other cameras not showing any fog at all. Actually, quite a bit of that hazy sunshine definitely being noticed. We were seeing that one little lone shower a little earlier when it first developed in eastern Bourbon County, but so far away now from that camera you can't see it. We're up at 80 at both weather stations in Fayette County here. 80 in Danville right now, 77 Winchester, Carlisle and Maysville, upper 70s, coming in at 79. Out east, quite a few in the way of mid 70s. Heat index values, though, going to be jumping back up later today to 100 or higher. So we're going to be sweating it out once again today. As we look in the big picture, what's happening? Still looking at this high pressure pretty much anchored here. Surface high just south of us, but the upper level high is really starting to slide a little farther east because you see these clouds that we have. Watch the movement from these, more easterly. So our high is anchored right along the mid-Atlantic states. That'll be key to watching the movement for showers that pop up this afternoon. Clouds and showers will be moving from really east to west across the state. You'll notice the widely scattered nature to these. Most of us are dry. Wouldn't rule out a strong thunderstorm or two this afternoon. Those fade overnight. We work into the day tomorrow. Little greater coverage of scattered storms for Friday, and some of those could be strong. A better chance coming into the day on Saturday. So let's take a look upstairs. This is 18,000 feet up, but we're talking about the steering winds. We're looking at our jet stream here. See the high pressure and the winds are moving east. So that's why these clouds, these high clouds are drifting from east to west into the state this morning. But that high overall keeps getting weaker. The hottest air eventually gets pushed away from us as we get to the beginning of next week. But since that high starts to lose its grip a bit over the next few days, that means better rain chances. We're seeing a few storms today. A lot of it still dry. A little greater coverage tomorrow. Even greater coverage on Saturday. That doesn't mean that it's raining everywhere or that it's a washout for your Saturday. Just more storms to contend with then and a little cooler. We may not get out of the mid-80s in a spot or two Saturday. Then the front itself sweeps through late Monday into Tuesday, and that brings finally some relief, at least for a couple of days, and some lower humidity, especially by Wednesday.